Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing our toes, and don't be talking about my toes, y'all, because I know they dusty and crusty, but do not come for me because I'm giving y'all what y'all wanted. Y'all was all in the comments saying that we need to do some toes with the baking soda, and I did it. So don't talk about me. Mind your business on the crusty toes, because we gonna get them right now.
Just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl.
But y'all already know, just make sure you prep your nails. I'm not prepping my nails right now. I'm actually going to go in with my nail tips first. I know there's a lot of controversial about nail tips. Don't put nail tips on, put nail tips on, blah, blah, blah. But at the end of the day, these is my toes. I'm going to put the nail tips on every time. I don't care what anybody says. If I bang them up and it break, it's just going to have to break. Because I'm going to put the nail tips on every time. I don't know how many times I got to tell y'all that.
I know you want me. Boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry.
Right here, I'm just going to go in and prep my nails. I am doing... What? I just got choked up on my own words. What are you talking about? I'm going to go in with the Diamond Naturals nail file. This nail file is from the Dollar Tree. Actually, everything that I'm using in this video is from the Dollar Tree. Nail tips is Sassy and Chic, or B colors, whichever one you want to call it. The nail file is Diamond Cosmetics. The nail glue is the Kiss Brush On Nail Glue. You can find it at Dollar General or Dollar Tree sometimes. And let me see, the baking soda is from the Dollar Tree as well, but you can actually get baking soda from Walmart for like 50 cents. So go to Walmart, it's a lot cheaper. And what else did I use? The nail polishes I used in this video is also from the Dollar Tree. The striping polishes as well, the cuticle oil, and the top coat. You prep your nails, just go in with your nail tips and glue them on, and then you're going to cut the nail tips to your desired length. I know some people like it longer, some people like it shorter. I like them like midway, like where I could put on sneakers and still feel very comfortable, because as they start to grow out, they can get very uncomfortable. Now, if you do not want to put on nail tips and you want to use your natural nails, but you want that thicker look, like if they were having nail tips or like have acrylic on them, I would just go in with just the baking soda by itself. You don't need to do all these extra steps. I'm just using a nail cutter. No, it's not even a nail cutter. I'm using some scissors, and I'm just going to cut them to where I like them. I'm also going to file them because these were still a little bit long, but I was already touching the skin and I did not want to cut myself. So right here, you will see me go in with the nail file. And you guys, I actually do these videos for TikTok. So I'm like mainly on TikTok. I do still come onto YouTube once in a while, but I mainly post to TikTok. So if you haven't followed me on TikTok yet, definitely do. But if you just want to watch on YouTube because you want to see the longer videos, you most definitely can, because I go into more depth here and I actually talk about it a lot more on this channel than I do on TikTok. TikTok is just a fast, like, funny skit that I do with the nails. But on here, I actually sit down and I actually talk to you guys and show y'all what I'm doing step by step. But a lot of these videos are cut down super short, so I'm starting to do like 10-minute videos on here, and just that's it, leave it at 10 minutes, because when I do longer videos, they don't get seen as long. So you guys, I know the attention span for me is like super short, so I can imagine if you guys are watching the same thing over and over again, because I do use most of the same products over and over again. So I will be making the videos a lot shorter. I'm thinking just 10 minutes or even 5 minutes on here, so you guys can catch what I'm doing and I can tell you what I'm doing. But it's a lot, it's more of an attention brink. What, girl, what are you talking about? It's more so that way, yeah, I'm gonna stop talking because I don't know what I'm talking about, but so that way you guys can have that, still get that You know what I'm talking about. Stop. Let's not do that.
Your fam. All the things I would say just to make it up to you, but you're gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline. Pick up, pick up. Told you once, I'll tell you twice, baby, I apologize. So pick up your life. All the things I would say just to make it up to you, but you're gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone.
Once I get done filing, I'm going to go in with the baking soda, and this is the same thing that I do on my nails. The only thing is I put a piece of paper underneath, so that way if I have to pick it up once I'm done using it, I can, and put it back into the baking soda. Don't judge me. I'm only using this on myself, so nobody else is using this but me, and I also don't cook with this. This is just for nails, you guys. Before y'all be like, ew, she just poured that on her toes and now she gonna go. Yes, I'm not gonna waste. I don't care if it was 50 cents. I'm not gonna waste it. That's why this is Dollar Tree stuff, because baby, I'm very frugal. Okay, I ain't cheap, I'm frugal. But right here, I'm just going to go with a thin layer of the nail glue. Of course, I'm going to spill some baking soda. If you do not have this little spoon, you can just use a regular spoon or whatever you have on hand to scoop it up and pour it on your nails, or however you want to do it. Be my guest. Do it however you want. I'm not judging. Just get it done. Okay? And then I just go in layer by layer. So it's the same thing like the nails. It's just a little bit different because it's actually getting done on your toes. And I'm not speeding up the video, so this is like the original time. Now, I did do about 8 to 9 coats of the baking soda, so it gets a little bit thicker. And not only that, it gets a little bit more opaque, a lot more white, because that's what I like. But you can do as many coats as you want. If you want it to show your toenail color a little bit more, you most definitely can. But baby, I wanted it to be that milky white, so I went in with a lot more coats. You won't see it in the video, because if not, this video would be like 3 hours long. Literally. You guys just see what I'm showing y'all. Y'all don't see behind the scenes. Them nails be taking me forever. Okay, but that's all I'm doing, just dipping, well, pouring and cleaning them up. Make sure you brush them off, so that way you have no leftover baking soda and your glue does not dry up.
I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, 'cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I wanna is time with my girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 girlfriend. No, 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 girlfriend. No, 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 girlfriends. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 no. I don't really have time for you, boy. I don't wanna hear anything more. Boy, you really need to understand that I'm not your girlfriend. I just wanna be a
Now I'm just going to go in and dust off my nails, and I'm going to go in with a nail file and start prepping my nail. Not prepping. I'm going to go in. What is wrong with me today? I cannot talk at all. It's because on TikTok, I make these really fast skits, and I'm like all caught up into it because I just got done doing one, and now I'm like just blah, 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 blah. But I'm going to go in with the nail file. I'm going to shape and buff my nails. I was fixing my ring light because it was like doing the most. It was doing something that I did not like. But I'm just going to file the nails just like this. I was struggling because listen here, if you are fat like me, you are going to struggle to do these toes. Do you know how many breaks I took doing these toes? Because baby, my stomach was cramping up. And I know y'all gonna be laughing in the comments, but my stomach was cramping. Like, I was like, baby, by the time I get done, I'm gonna have abs because my stomach hurts so bad. It was just not for me. I couldn't even breathe half the time. But once I got done doing that, I buffed them and then I just washed my foot. Now, I know y'all see that little cut that I got on the side of my thumb. I filed so much because you gotta file so much. And yeah, I just sliced it right open. So don't do that. Let's not do that. But you want to make sure you seal the cuticles. So file to where you can and you're not hurting yourself. And then I'm just going to go in with some white striping polish because I wanted a cute French, kind of like how I did the first French. And that's about it, you guys. That's all I did. I applied a top coat. Now remember, this isn't gel, so you do not need no gel polish, no nothing. This does not require an LED light, none of that. This will dry by itself. And honestly, you guys, it dries in probably like 30 minutes and then you can go about your business. So this was a super cheap dupe for acrylic toenails. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys so much, and we'll see you in I have a vlog channel, so that's why I said we'll see you. I will see you in the next video coming soon.
I even try to call your fam. All the things I would say just to make it up to you, but you're gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline. Twice, baby, I apologize. So pick up your life. All the things I would say just to make it up to you, but you're gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you just